Also, if you want to make some major adjustments to get your wheel centered or whatever, you got this handle right here. You just loosen it up and it pivots back here on this screw right here, and it'll bring your wheel in or out, whatever you have. Should be pretty easy to retrofit to any grinder you got. Relatively easy. I attached it to this little 1/2 inch thick piece of the grinder that comes with the kit. And it'd be real easy to attach to Brian's Revolution grinder. The engineering on this thing is pretty incredible. You have these little struts here that push that in and out. See here, focus in there. Yeah, I think it's very well engineered, very well made. If you're interested in one, get a hold of Daryl Belnap. He should be in this group. Really good guy. It's just a dream to deal with. Thank you, Daryl, for sending this my way. I'm gonna put this baby to some use. So I've retrofitted Daryl's axis neutral tracking mechanism to my Sabre OSG grinder. It seems a lot smoother than the normal gravity tracking mechanisms. And as you can see here, it pivots on this axis instead of going out and in like a normal one. It pivots right here, which makes tracking a dream. And with mechanics he has in here, tracking it with under tension is a lot smoother than the normal tapped method with a knob going through a tapped piece of metal. It's very smooth. It's very accurate. So far, what I can tell, it's pretty awesome. I think this is going to be a good time with this tracking mechanism on this grinder. I can already tell the grinder itself is a lot smoother as opposed to my old tracking mechanism where the pivot is above the wheel. Now the pivot is in the center of the wheel. But as you can see on my old one, you get a lot of belt bite on this hinge here. Now this one holds pretty true wherever you put it. Yeah, I like it so far. I'm gonna test it out some more, see how it does. It seems to do really good forward and reverse, horizontal or vertical, and it's just really smooth, really accurate. I think it's a good purchase if anybody wants to upgrade their grinder. Thumbs up for me.